Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a class to your Google Classroom. Alright, so let's get right into it. Now, once you have opened your Google Chrome, right, at the top right hand corner, you will see 9 dots. You will click on that 9 dots and then you will search for the classroom icon. Alright, so here it is, classroom. Your next step is to click on that icon and then you will see existing classrooms that you might have, or it might be blank if it is your first time. Going back to the top right hand corner, you will see a plus sign. When you have moved your mouse over the plus sign, you will see create or join a class. You will click on that plus sign. Two options can be seen: either join a class or to create a class. However, our objective is to create a class. So we will click on create a class, alright? And there are some conditions here that you will need to follow, alright? So once you have read all of the fine details, right, you click the square to show that you have read and understand the above notice, right, and all the other instructions that follow. You will click continue. Okay, and then now your class will have certain classification that will identify the class. All right, so here we will need your class name. You can be as creative as possible. The section, the subject does not have to be math, English, social studies, or science. It could be whatever you want your classroom to represent, what this classroom will be about. Alright, and room. Okay, now if you notice, the cursor is blinking here. So say for example, I want my class to be about the animals. Alright, so this would be the class name. Alright, the subject could be biology, and then I will click create. And bam! There goes my classroom on animals. Alright, so there are your specification. You have your stream, your classwork, your people, your marks, the class name, class code, and other features that identify the class. Alright, I will explore how these other features can be used in another video. Okay, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next